In this video, we're going to be looking at the bent over row using the barbell. This exercise can also be performed with dumbbells. So when performing a bent over row, we hinge at the hips, holding the barbell to the front and pulling it in towards the torso. Now we can perform this exercise in any back angle. So if it's upright, it's an upright row. Predominantly works the traps, the upper traps. Hinge slightly into a Yates row position, more mid traps. And as we bend over fully, more latissimus dorsi and rhomboid engagement. When it comes to a conventional position for a bent over row, it's going to be around 45 to 65 degrees from vertical. So vertical here, 45 to 65 degrees, arms straight to our front. Depending on limb lengths, the barbell is going to be around the knee height or just below. During a bent over row, we can take a pronated double overhand grip or a supinated double underhand grip. Looking at my elbow position, in a pronated grip, from there, supinate the forearms, it pulls the elbows inwards towards my torso, pulls the shoulder blades inwards and down, and therefore it's great for posture, great for working the rhomboids. When starting this exercise, I like to first deadlift it up into this position. From there, it allows me to set an optimal position with good tension throughout the trunk. Let's have a look at that. Grip width, slightly wider than shoulder width. We can take it even wider to really get a stretch through the lats. At this top position, hinge at the hips, set the optimal position. Keeping the spine and neck neutral, barbell lays just below my kneecaps. From there, pull the barbell in towards my navel or belly button. We ideally want to keep the barbell close, travels in a vertical bar path. However, because I'm engaging my lats to keep the barbell close, it might come backwards slightly. Once we've finished, barbell down, and that's the bent over row.